Welcome to this React DOCX Editor component tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to export a Word document as a PDF using the Syncfusion DOCX Editor component in React. This includes how to export the document on the client side and the server side. To begin, I've opened an existing React application where the DOCX Editor component is already integrated. If you want to know how to get started, check out the video link in the card above or the description below. Now, let's see how to export a Word document as a PDF on the client side. I first install the PDF export package using the npm install @syncfusion /ej2 PDF export command. And then I import the required modules, including PDF document, PDF bitmap, and PDF page settings from the Syncfusion ej2 PDF export. Please note that the exported PDF content is rendered as an image, which means text search functionality will not work within the PDF. I add a heading above the DOCX editor at the top of the page, and a button named Export as PDF aligned to the right. I define a click event handler for this button to trigger the export logic. In this event, I first assign the document editor reference to a variable, which allows easier access to the editor instance. I then create a new PDF document instance to hold the exported content. I retrieve the total number of pages in the document using the page count property. I set the print device pixel ratio to 2 for better image quality while exporting. I initialize a loaded page variable to track how many pages have been processed. Next, I loop through each page using a for loop. Inside the loop, I use setTimeout to delay each page export slightly, allowing image rendering to complete smoothly. I define the image format. This sets the export format to JPG. Then, I export each page as an image using the export as image method, and listen for the image's onload event. Once the image is loaded, I calculate its width and height from the style properties. Based on the dimensions, I add a new section to the PDF and create page settings for the section. If the image width is greater than the height, I set the page orientation to landscape. I then assign the size of the PDF page using the image dimensions and apply the settings to the section. Next, I add a page to the section and get the graphics context of that page. Before drawing the image, I remove the base 64 header from the image source string and create a new PDF bitmap using the cleaned string. Then, I draw the image on the page. After each page is processed, I increase the loaded page counter. Once all pages are loaded and drawn, I save the document using the save method with the original document name or sample PDF if no name is set. Finally, I run the application using the command npm run dev. In the DOCX editor, I open the document and click the Export as PDF button. It will download the PDF. As you can see, the Word document is converted into a PDF. Next, I will show you how to export a Word document as a PDF on the server side. Please note that the exported PDF supports text search functionality on the server side. To begin, I make a few changes to the existing client-side code to connect with the backend server and download the PDF. In the onClick function, I first check whether the DOCX component exists. I create the file name variable to set the document name from the editor. Then, I define the export file name, which defaults to sample PDF if no name is provided. Next, I prepare the sfdt object with the document content and file name. The content is retrieved in sfdt format using the serialized method of the DOCX editor. Next, I create an XML HTTP request to send this data to the server. I set the request method to post, and the server URL will be specified after completing the server setup. I also set the content type to application JSON. and specify the response type as blob, since the server returns the PDF file in binary format. When the server responds with the PDF, I first check the response status to confirm the request was successful. I create a blob from the response and generate a temporary URL. Then, I create an invisible anchor tag. Set its href to the blob URL, and set its download attribute to the file name. I add the temporary download link to the document body. I programmatically click the anchor to trigger the download. I remove the anchor tag from the document and release the blob URL from memory. If the request fails or encounters any issues, appropriate error messages are logged in the browser's console. Lastly, send the serialized document data to the server as a JSON string. Next, I set up an ASP.NET Core backend by creating a new ASP.NET Core web app project in Visual Studio. I open Visual Studio, select Create a New Project, choose the ASP.NET Core web app template, and click Next. After entering the project name, I click Next. Then, I proceed with the default configuration and click Create. Once the project is ready, I install the required NuGet packages. First, I add the Syncfusion EJ2 Word Editor ASP.NET Core package, which helps process the Word document content received from the client. Then, I install the Syncfusion DOCX Renderer package, which enables the conversion of Word documents to PDF. Next, I open the Home Controller file and import the necessary namespaces for this example. I define a PDF export request class with two properties, one for the document content and another for the file name. After that, I define the export PDF action method. This endpoint receives the Word document content from the client. In the method, I first convert the sfdt content into a Word document using the save method. Then, I create a DOCX renderer instance and use its convert to PDF method to convert the Word document into a PDF document. When the conversion is complete, I create a memory stream and save the PDF to that memory stream. Then, I reset its position to beginning. Close the PDF and Word document instances to release resources. I return the file as a file stream result using the specified file name, so that the PDF can be downloaded on the client side. Finally, I run the server-side application, retrieve the server URL, and use it in the client-side code. I run the React application, open a Word document in the editor, and click the Export as PDF button. The document is sent to the server, converted, and downloaded as a PDF document. As you can see, the Word document was successfully converted to a PDF using server-side processing. That's a wrap. In this video, I have shown you how to export a Word document as a PDF using the Syncfusion DOCX Editor component in React. You can download the working example from the GitHub link in the description below. I've also shared a link where you can learn about obtaining a free license key to use our DOCX Editor SDK through our community license. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.